The Haryana Assembly elections, the poll battle also has clearly intensified, especially after Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia joined Congress and the Grand Old Party fielded Vinesh from Julana constituency. The former BJP MP Brijbhushan Sharan Singh claimed that he has been finally vindicated and that the Congress party's conspiracy has now been exposed. Brijbhushan Sharan Singh has stepped down as the president of the Wrestling Federation of India after facing allegations of sexual harassment, among others, and a string of protests. Even Brijbhushan Sharan Singh's successor in the WFI, Sanjay Singh, rallied behind Brijbhushan, saying that Hoodas had scripted the entire protest at Jantar Mantar.
खिलाड़ियों को बदनाम किया है, बहन बेटियों की इज्जत खराब किया है, बहन बेटियों को बदनाम किया है और इनके कारण आज महिला खिलाड़ी सर उठा करके नहीं चल पा रही हैं। उसके कारण बजरंग है, विनेश है और कांग्रेस पार्टी है। वो हरियाणा के नायक नहीं, खलनायक है, विशेष करके खिलाड़ियों के खलनायक, जूनियर खिलाड़ियों के लिए खलनायक है। उन्होंने कोई आदर्श पैदा नहीं किया।
विनेश फोगाट का कहना है कि कांग्रेस ने मेरी मदद की, भाजपा ने मेरी कोई मदद नहीं की। विनेश फोगाट ने जो कुछ भी कहा कि मैं कुश्ती लड़ने के लिए जाऊंगी, मुझे मेरा पर्सनल स्टाफ चाहिए, सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ चाहिए, वो 75 लाख रुपया उनके ऊपर खर्च हुआ तो भारत सरकार ने इन्हें खर्च किया, तो इसमें कांग्रेस ने उनकी क्या मदद की।
Now, on the other hand, a day after joining the Congress party, Vinesh Phogat also took to social media X, saying that her political journey is filled with new dreams and resolve. She wrote that whether in sports or in politics, her fight will continue for society and country. Brijbhushan's statement triggered a political face-off, though. The Congress party was quick to throw its weight behind the wrestler-turned-politician who has now joined the party. The Grand Old Party said that it will stand with women when they feel unsafe in society. The BJP, though, slammed the Congress party, accusing it of orchestrating the protests.
ये जो आंदोलन कर रहे थे ब्रजभूषण जी के खिलाफ, वो ब्रजभूषण जी को आप कह सकते हैं कि बदमाश मार दिया एक थप्पड़, लेकिन उसके चरित्र पर कभी दाग नहीं लगा। ये पहलवान ब्रजभूषण सिंह के खिलाफ आंदोलन नहीं था, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ आंदोलन कर रहे थे और वो चेहरा अब साफ हो गया चुनाव लड़ने के बाद और कांग्रेस में शामिल होने के बाद।
There are two options before a political party, either to stand with those women or to stand with the perpetrators of crimes against women. The Congress party obviously will choose to stand with the women. BJP is free to stand with the rapists of Bilkis Bano. BJP is free to stand with Brijbhushan Sharan Singh.
So, Sabyasachi, the debate over the protests have now been brought back. Was it orchestrated or not? The BJP says that now the cat is out of the bag. But the Congress party, though, says that we had supported her during a fight and we continue to do so.
Well, that's right. See, the Congress party has said that while the wrestlers were protesting at Jantar Mantar, it was the Congress party who stood behind the wrestlers at that particular time. The BJP did not support the wrestlers at that particular time. Now, the Congress party says that the God has punished former WFI President Brijbhushan Sharan Singh because currently he is not a member of parliament, he is charge-sheeted. Now, on the other hand, they have said that Vinesh Phogat, who have made the nation proud at the Paris Olympics, and now she is going to win the election in Haryana. So clearly the God is with Vinesh Phogat. So the Congress continuously backing Vinesh Phogat and attacking the BJP as well as the former WFI President Brijbhushan Sharan Singh for not standing with the wrestlers. But on the other hand, the BJP also has started targeting Vinesh Phogat and the Congress party, stating that since the time the wrestlers started their protest at Jantar Mantar, it was politically motivated, and now the intentions are clear because Vinesh Phogat has joined the Congress party, and former WFI President Brijbhushan Sharan Singh in fact leveled serious allegation against Vinesh Phogat, stating that Vinesh Phogat has cheated at the Paris Olympics. So clearly the war of words in the coming days is only going to escalate, where the Congress clearly put out their hints that they are going to back Vinesh Phogat at any given cost.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details.